Gold last week, failing to break above the critical resistance at 2060-65, has traded bearish and in fact has gone closer towards 2000 levels here before closing the week at 2030. Can we consider that now the 20 period moving average it has achieved? Can we expect it to bounce back after this flag formation, or is it again going to trade bearish and achieve the further lows towards the 1980 levels? What is going to be our strategy trading gold next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share twice a day update every day for gold, first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. Thus, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest update. And yes, do like, share and comment as well, friends. Your every action matters to me a lot. If you have not joined the channel memberships, join the channel memberships and support them. Let's start first to look into monthly charts. Towards the end, we will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. Now, first, let's have a look at the monthly charts here. On the monthly charts, the rise, the retracement, the rise, and then it is trying to yield a red candle. But so far, interestingly, it is giving higher lows here beautifully. And if you look at the preceding candle was a swing candle with a smaller green body. And I have mentioned many a times earlier in my monthly review as well that now as long as 1980 2000 levels are not taken on the downside, or rather I will say 1972.5 and 2000 zone is not taken on the downside, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Yes, gold still has a potential to reverse and rally from the current levels. Be watchful of this. Why? Now look at the opening of the candle. The candle opened beyond this and it is traded in green, and then we have seen a pullback. Second observation here is higher lows are seen. It has failed to break the support levels on the downside, which suggests that it can still reverse and continue with the bullish momentum. There is a strong probability to it. Now, right now it is looking downwards. It is trading bearish. Thus, only and only if you see gold trading about 2060-65 in the coming days, then we can consider that as a reversal. Beyond this zone, we will look forward to 2100 levels again. Yes, if it stays about 2060-65, we can consider this for a reversal. Now look at the stochastic. This is overbought and it is trying to look down. But look at MACD. It has crossed over here and since then it is trading bullish, looking up. The only concern point here is, see, the gradient here and here are almost alike, but right now it is, the angle here is almost lesser compared to the slope here. Thus it suggests that this is under retracement. However, it is still bullish, not to be treated bearish. RSI almost comfortable, tried to look downwards now. Coming to the week, on the weekly charts, beautifully, if you look at the last three candles, reversal sign, one bearish candle, lower highs and consistently lower lows. Yes, all the lows and the highs are beautifully aligned here. Also, the prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. We have seen it converging towards the 20. And if you just align these levels here, you will find every time these last three drops, we have seen gold reversing from these levels and continuing to rise. Look at the momentum here, and this is the third drop. It does mean that a bounce back from the current level, a rise above 2065 levels certainly should be a sign of a good reversal, where we will look forward to 2072, 2084, and after that we will look forward to 2120 zone as well. Possibilities there because it is still trading in this bullish manner. Yes, consistently higher highs, higher lows are seen. Stochastic is almost flat. MACD traded in green. It tried to converge. It has not yet crossed over. The crossover here is what we can look forward to. But right now, if you look at first wave, second wave, and it still has a potential to achieve the highs here. Yes, it can continue to diverge from the current levels. Thus, a greener candle coming week, move about 2060-65 zone certainly should be watch out for, where we can look forward to 2080-85 and then 2100-2120 levels. The next week is going to be critical. Stock RSI looking downwards. Coming to the daily chart, likewise on the daily charts, look at the move here. This is since mid of October. You can find this is the first wave, this is the second wave. Yes, it has crossed on the upside for once. It is forming a tilted head and shoulders. But yes, if you look at the move here, first, second, and this is the third move. Yes, it is still respecting the lows here. Second observation here is what has happened in last couple of days here. See, first of all, price has retraced towards the 20 period, 50 period moving average, then now towards the 100 period, and it is trying to bounce back. Couple of retracement candles, then sharp red candles, then minor retracement candle. Now here on the daily charts, it is still trading bearish in this channel. And that is why again I'm saying it has to break above this zone in order to confirm a breakout which will result into a rally. Now right now if you look at the preceding candle, the last trading session, it was a greener candle. However, it failed to sustain the rise and almost it is closed at the median. See the move from 2020 to 2040 levels, and where did it close? Almost at 2030. Precisely 50% of the complete move suggests there can be still bullish momentum which can be seen in the coming days. But as I said, it is right now still yielding lower highs, lower lows. That is why first we will wait for it to break beyond 2052 and then 2060-65 levels. Yes, these two levels are taken, then you can treat this as bullish. A stochastic trying to rise. See, MACD has seen a stronger bearish move and it is still trading bearish. It tried to converge, failed to crossover. Now, I have several times earlier highlighted, look at the peak on the daily charts of MACD. Whenever we have seen gold coming to these levels, it has started to retrace, and I have been telling these since these levels. Since then, gold has traded bearish. Right now, still there is a possibility of a reversal, but it is not showing any signs of a crossover. The crossover is what I will look forward to. RSI after the drop started to rise. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. See, first of all, there was a sharper drop taking the support here. It has retraced. It has achieved the highs here. It has breached past this consolidation zone. Now look at the last few candles. On the last trading session, we have seen it getting support at around 24-22 zone, which is definitely a very good support for now. And then 1820. If these two levels are taken on the downside in the coming week, possibility of a further drop exists, which may take the prices towards 2015, 2014 as the first support levels, and then 28, 2010. Now, if gold is seen trading below 28, 2010, we can say further bearishness to prevail. But right now, looking at these candles, it suggests that possibility of a bullish momentum exists. Any rise in the coming or first trading session, which may take the prices above 40-42 levels, we can consider that as a breakout or a reversal indication where we can look forward to 2052 and then 2060-65. As and how it breaks these levels, the bulls will take over. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD on the 4-hour charts has started to diverge looking upwards, and it can continue to give a greener wave. See, this was the first wave, second wave, and it is still having the possibility, which suggests that yes, by this time it reaches here, the price would have already crossed 2060 levels, and then we can say now the bulls will be back. RSI has retested. It has shown a V-shaped recovery, but it has come to the comfortable zone. So now we have seen all the time frames, and time for me to give you the now trading levels and strategy for the coming week. Before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship commencing on 29th of January. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you identify profitable trends and profitable trades easily. Reach out to me for more details. Write down over email or Telegram. And if you want to join the Signals channel or Telegram, reach out to me as well. And yes, all the details related to the services are available on my platform www.forexfunda.com. Link is shared in the video and channel description. And yes, the platform do have much more information for you, where you will get economic calendar, the live charts with advanced tools, and yes, the forum where you can discuss with the like-minded traders. And yes, you can also book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And this consultation is completely free if you're part of our webinar series, where every Sunday we discuss the nitty-gritties of the markets. Do register for the webinar series, visit the platform, do join the Signals channel and the mentorship batch. Now let's talk about the levels to buy. Now, coming week 2036 you can buy, but I will wait for it to break beyond 2040-42 zone. That is the first resistance zone. And if it breaks beyond this, we can look forward to 2050-52 levels. Now, once 2050-52 is taken, that is the point of time where you should stay bullish after this. Possibility of buys the dips will be higher from these levels, but after this we will look forward to 2060 and 65 zone, the next resistance. This is the zone after which certainly we are looking forward to only bullishness in gold, where we will look forward to 2072.5, 2084, and after this 2100, 2120 levels cannot be denied. Yes, if it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. Thus, we have to trading with caution beyond 2060-65. Certainly more bullish momentum after 2020-84. At least you should not be thinking of a sell. And yes, we are going to look forward to 2100, 2120 levels. Now, that is the case if it is staying bullish. But what happens if it trades bearish from the current levels? Where you should sell? You can sell here at 2024, but then 2018, 2020 zone on the downside, first support, very strong support. 2014 the next, and then 2010, 2008. Now once it breaks below this zone 2010-08, the next target is directly towards 1997, 2000. That is going to be a great support, and if it breaks below this, then I will be looking forward to 1980 levels. Yes, 1980 is achievable. Below 1980 is where major crash is awaited, where there is a slight gap also to be filled by gold on the downside that is extremely at lower levels, 1835, 1845 zone. I do not see it breaking. Possibility of it to bounce back still exists strong in the month of January. We can expect it to show a greener candle, but we have to be trading with caution. Only trade as per the levels. Just do not go by the bias, and as in how it breaks one of these levels, just keep shifting your stop losses. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel, and reach out to me for more details. Join the free Telegram channel or join the platform forexfunda.com. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.